Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check the mobile charger's voltage and current ratings and compare them to your laptop's requirements. If you have a USB-C PD charger, make sure it supports the laptop's voltage profile. Otherwise, locate a powered adapter or the correct barrel connector. Once done, inspect cables for damage and ensure the charger battery holds at least 20% so it can sustain the initial load. This avoids undervoltage and ensures safe negotiation between charger and laptop. You now connect components carefully. Plug the mobile charger into its battery pack or outlet, then attach the PD-capable cable to the laptop's USB-C port. If using an adapter for a barrel connector, confirm polarity matches the laptop and tighten the connector to avoid intermittent contact. Once connected, watch power negotiation indicators, LEDs, or on-screen battery icons to confirm the laptop accepts the offered voltage. If not, open Power Settings or BIOS and select External Charging if your model. You finish by monitoring the laptop as it charges. Check the system's battery indicator and feel the charger for excessive heat. Make sure the charge rate is steady. Slow trickle charging often means insufficient wattage or cable loss. If the laptop won't charge, unplug and try a different high-quality cable or the original adapter to isolate the fault and test the mobile charger with another device. One key tip: if you see no negotiation or heating, stop and use a compatible, higher-watt PD charger rather than forcing mismatched voltages.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.